lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Catalytic Akanksha. This video is a huge Meesho jewelry haul. Of lately I have shopped a lot of jewelry pieces. These are really trendy and affordable. I've also tried a new video format, so all throughout this video I will be voicing over and you'll be seeing only the jewelry pieces and obviously me trying them on because it's a try on haul. So do let me know in the comments below if you like this format. The very first one is this beautiful gold choker. It has these studded letters in here and these cute little butterflies. It has 3 different variants which says baby, angel and honey, and I got this particular one because of the mint green butterflies. It looks really pretty and cute, and also it's of really good quality. This neck piece can actually amp up your look effortlessly. Alright, now we are talking. This Evil Eye multi-layered chain is my absolute favorite. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical while I was placing my order for this, but then when I received it, I was awed. I fell in love with this because it is so pretty. It is a very dainty and delicate piece. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this beauty, but this is really a very pretty neck piece. What should I even say about these pair of earrings? As you can see, I'm pretty much obsessed with Evil Eye design these days, so I got these amazing, beautiful, classy and quirky pair of earrings. It is again layered, so it has 3 evil eyes in here. Looks really amazing, and also it's gonna look amazing with semi-formal outfits. Again of really good quality and affordable. This half chain and half pearl neck piece is again really quirky. In my opinion, it's a very versatile piece because you can pretty much wear this with every single outfit, be it a party outfit or casual outfit or any semi-formal outfit. It's gonna really look good with every single style, and also this lock at the front really makes it look even better. This neck piece was unbelievably cheap. Drum rolls please for the cutest neck piece in this haul. Oh my god, just look at this neck piece. I mean, can we please appreciate it? Look at the design, these butterflies and everything. It's just out of the world. I fell in love with this on the first go, and trust me, this is gonna look good with again every single outfit. The only drawback is that इसकी chain की quality इतनी भी ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है, so it might get tarnished very easily. This next white butterfly pendant is yet again a very dainty piece. I did not like it that much because it is a little too simple for my likings, but otherwise if you're someone who really loves these single locket pendants and stuff, then you might give it a try. Also, it is crazy cheap, like it was just for 150 rupees. Yay, we have got yet another pair of Evil Eye earrings. These are again of good quality. The design was not completely as I expected it to be, but these are not bad. I really love that I have 2 variants of the Evil Eye earrings. The previous one that you saw was of the black Evil Eye, and this is like the blue one. So this is an Evil Eye pendant. It is very dainty, very petite and very simple. It was for around 200 rupees. Not that value for money I feel, but it's fine. I've got a pair of beautiful link chain hoops. These are in golden and these are huge. Looks very beautiful and classy, especially if you're wearing something very simple, basic in black or white. It's gonna go really well, and also for parties you can carry these. These are really gonna be a statement piece. I've also got these link chain danglers, again pretty similar like this previous one that I showed, and these are again a pair of statement earrings and also give you the same sort of a classy vibe. By the way, both of these pair of earrings might look heavy, but these are not at all heavy. ये metal के नहीं है, these are of plastic if I'm not wrong, so do not worry at all. Here comes yet another Evil Eye. So because Evil Eye is really in trend these days, I really wanted to show you guys a lot of variants in this. So that is the sole reason why I got so many of these. So this is again a very petite Evil Eye pendant. I think इसकी chain की quality इतनी भी ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है, but so far so good, tarnish नहीं हुई है. This rose pendant was not as expected. I did not like it that much. Actually मुझे ये बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया, so मैंने return कर दी है. Hence you cannot see me trying these on. The second last item is a combo of 6 earrings. I got this whole combo for around 350 rupees. The first pair is this beautiful golden hoops with these crystals wrapped around. It looks very different and unique, cute as well, and it's gonna go with every color. Next up is this very cute dangler and drop pink butterfly earrings. I simply love these. I really love these. These white butterfly danglers were a disappointment because इनकी जो डंडी थी ना वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटी थी. So मेरे राइट ईयर में तो मैं पहन भी नहीं पाई. I do not know what I'm gonna do with these, but otherwise डिज़ाइन बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी और क्यूट थी. The next three are studs. So the first one is this flower stud with the stud in the middle. The next stud is this golden triangle one. These are very simple but yet can add that element of class to your outfit and to your look. The OG basic pearl stud never goes wrong. So same with these pair of earrings. Nothing much to say, I guess. The last item is yet another combo of 9 pair of earrings. This again has a combination of hoops, danglers and studs. This is the first one, pearl studded hoops, very classy and elegant. I love these. Also these are neither too big nor too little. These are a pair of chunky golden hoops. I was a bit disappointed with these because one of the piece was a little bent. This is yet again a pearl studded hoop. This is a bit tinier than the first one and the pearls are also of tiny size. But again this looks very pretty and unique. Next one is this pearl dangler and drop. I was not a huge fan of because I felt that the design was a bit off for me. No other reason though. The next two pair are these tiny golden hoop and these rings are a bit twisted. The last three pairs of the combo are these simple studs. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the product codes are going to be in the description box, so do give it a watch. And also let me know in the comments if you like this format. I'll see you with another one. Until then, it's me, Akansha, signing off. Bye.